Forever RGI Plus gives you the boost you need. Feel the energy.
Forever ARGI Plus is like that secret weapon you didn't know you needed. Imagine a blend of powerful nutrients that not only boosts your energy, but also supports your overall wellness. It's packed with essential amino acids, vitamins, and minerals that help you feel your best every day. What's cool is that it's designed to enhance your body's natural processes, making it easier to stay active and focused. Whether you're hitting the gym or just powering through your daily tasks, Forever ARGI Plus has your back. Plus, it's super easy to incorporate into your routine. Just mix it with water or your favorite smoothie. And let's not forget the taste. It's refreshing and smooth, making it a treat rather than a chore. So if you're looking to elevate your health game and keep your energy levels up, Forever ARGI Plus might just be the boost you've been searching for.